We are going to give you a demonstration today on how to use the dual head chef oven that we have here at C-Speak. The top portion is Turbo Chef. Turbo Chef uses a microwave type technology to rapidly cook meat and any item actually that's cookable there in the oven. We're going to go ahead and get it preheated because that takes a little bit of a time. So you will see there's a display here as well as some knobs. In order to start the whole process, you need to change the knob to what it is that you want to, how you want to cook the meat, I should say. So we're going to change it to bake. Today we're going to be making hamburgers. And so you will use the small knob to change until you find the item that you're trying to make. First, we're going to look for hamburger. If there is not hamburger, we'll find an alternative. So we can see there's no hamburger. Next, we're going to find meat. In order to select it, we will push the knob and that will select meat. Next, again, we'll look for hamburger, which there is not. So we'll find something close to the hamburger. Again, we're just turning the knob as we go down. And I'm going to choose meatballs. Select meatballs. It'll ask you a few more questions. Again, you want to get as close to what the item is that you're trying to cook. I'm going to click again, and it will say the cook time is 5 minutes and 30 seconds at a temperature of 350. It wants to know if you're ready to preheat, and if so, you're going to push the start button. So I'm selecting start, and it says, please wait to insert the dish. So we're going to allow the preheating time to continue, which is 1 minute. And we'll leave it like that while we're seasoning. So I've chosen this white pan that is compatible with the Turbo Chef oven. We have already set up a cabinet with you that has white options, clear options that are glass, as well as down here under the cabinet, you have additional options that are compatible with the Turbo Chef. Any of these items, these without the top, obviously. Any of these items are compatible with the Turbo Chef. The bottom oven is compatible with any type that you want to use. So certainly you can use any of the metal pans that are available to cook in the bottom oven, which just serves as a regular normal oven that you would use at home. So today we're going to use this type of casserole dish. We've got a few hamburger patties, and I've chosen the Montreal steak seasoning. If you need any additional seasoning, of course, on the left-hand side of the refrigerator, we have multiple types of seasonings that you could use for your items. I don't know if you just heard, but the Turbo Chef oven just alerted that the preheat is complete and it's ready for us to go ahead and insert the item. So I will go ahead and place our Turbo Chef compatible pan into the oven. And one more time, it will say, it will highlight start. So you have to actually push start to get it going. I'm going to push start and it'll tell you, you have 5.5 minutes and it's going to be ready. At the 5.5 minutes mark, it will ask you to look at the meat to determine if it's cooked how you want it. It will ask you, do you want to cook longer? Any questions at all, it will actually ask you what you need to do. After that is completed, please make sure you turn this knob to stop or off position. The off position will turn everything off for you. And that's essentially how you use the Turbo Chef. Again, if you want to use the bottom portion of the stove, the oven, it will work just in any fashion that you already use it.